Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to use the time function. So before we can use it, we have to import it by saying import time. That will import the time module into the program so we can work with it. Okay, let's have a look here. So we're going to create a function called enter name. Okay, so this is going to be the function. So name is equal to input and enter name. So the user will enter the name into here. Okay, so we're going to specify if a name is not equal to a name that we say. So for example, if name is not equal to Mark, so if the user enters any other name except Mark, it's not going to work. So if name is not equal to Mark, then we're going to print a message. So the message is going to be print don't know you. Let's say don't know you, you'll have to wait. So don't know you, you'll have to wait. Okay, so then we're going to start using the time function here. So we just simply type in time dot sleep. So this is going to create a time delay, and we're going to enter into this into these brackets here simply 1, which is equal to 1 second, and then we're going to print a message after 1 second. So the message is going to be 1. It's going to be like a countdown, this is, and then it's going to be time dot sleep, and another message is going to be, let's say 2. So that's going to, we're going to wait 2 seconds. Print 2. Okay, so that's going to make us wait 2 seconds, and then we're going to have time dot sleep. That's going to be 3, and we're going to print 3. Okay. Right, after that we're going to print please try again. So print please try again. Whoops, again. Okay, and then we're going to type in here enter name. This is just going to call another function to help us try again. Okay, so basically it's just going to count down, we're going to wait, and then we're going to get a message please try again, and the enter name is going to take us to a function called enter name, and we're going to go through the whole process again. So I'm going to create the function here, so it's going to be called fine enter name. Sorry, made a little bit of a mistake there. Enter name will take us back up to the top. Please try again. So that will take us, enter name will take us back up to the top. Then we're going to have to do an else statement here. So else your name. So this your name is going to be a function that I'm just going to create here, your name. So if we enter the right name in input, it's going to do this. So I'm going to say your name. Okay, and we're just going to simply print a message. Hi, Mark. So we're going to print. Okay. Now all we've got to do is call this function. So we call it by enter name. So it's going to be called by enter name. Okay. And now we're just going to save it. Save, and we're going to run the program. Okay, so let's do it full screen. So enter name. So I'm going to enter the wrong name. I'm just going to put Y in like that. Don't know you, you'll have to wait. 1, 2, 3. Please try again. Okay, so if I just go like that again, I'm going to get the same response. I'm going to be made to wait. However, if I do type in the correct name, I'm going to go into the next function, your name, and that will print off a message, hi Mark. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.